Is your Hyundai Sonata key fob not working? The most common cause is a dead CR2032 battery. First, locate the seam on the side of the key fob near the keyring hole. Use a small flathead screwdriver or pry tool to gently separate the two halves of the fob. Be careful not to use excessive force to avoid cracking the plastic. Inside, you'll see the battery held in place by a plastic clip. Remove the old battery and replace it with a new 3-volt CR2032 battery, making sure the positive plus side faces up. Snap the two halves of the key fob back together until they click. Test the fob to ensure it's working. Consider cleaning the battery terminals with rubbing alcohol if corrosion is present, as highlighted in user case studies from Hyundai forums. This can extend the life of the new battery. Remember to use insulated tools to avoid damaging the circuit board. If replacing the battery doesn't solve the problem, other issues might be at play. Rule out signal interference by moving away from potential sources like other electronic devices. Sometimes, the key fob and the vehicle's immobilizer need to be resynchronized. Try the reprogramming procedure. Insert the key into the ignition, turn it to the on position, and then press the lock or unlock buttons on the fob. If that doesn't work, a rare firmware glitch in the vehicle's receiver module might be the cause and require a dealer reset. Third-party OBD2 scanners with DIY reprogramming tools are also available. A corroded battery contact can also be the culprit. Remember to inspect it and clean it before assuming that the battery is the cause.